Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how I turn my embroidery into jewelry, like this piece right here. Once I have the necklace settings picked out, I use archival quality cardstock to cut out inserts to fit those settings. I then use a nail file to smooth out the edges. I want to leave a little bit of space around the insert to accommodate the fabric. I then cut off any excess fabric, making it about 1/4 of an inch larger than the insert so I can easily wrap it around the insert. I then go around the border of the fabric with the running stitch. I then tighten the fabric around the insert, making sure the design is nice and centered. When I'm happy with the placement of the design, I tighten the fabric around the insert even more. When it looks like this, it's time to glue the piece in. I spread a thin layer of glue into the base of the setting. I place the insert into the setting, and now the piece is ready to dry. And here's the final result. Thanks for watching.